Cafe Tata, Operatata. Which one is the correct way to say it, and why we have so many endings in the end of the word in Bulgarian? Today we're going to see this topic with you. So, cafe tata, actually it's the right way to say it. Opera tata, no, it's not the right way to say it. But let's rewind and let's see from where the mistake comes. So, in Bulgarian, first, in the end of the nouns, we put the article. This is important for you to know. For example, cafe, cafeto, sandwich, sandwichet, žena, ženata. Okay, so this I hope you know. This is singular article. Okay? So also, if you want to form plural of the nouns, we have a completely different video about it. You can check it. We also change the ending, but in a different way. And it depends on the gender of the words. Okay? So let's take the example of coffee, cafe. So if we want to make it many coffees, it will be cafeta. Okay? So cafe, cafeta, any word that ends with e. Normally, the general rule is that we put ta in the end. Cafe, cafeta. But why it gets cafe tata, which is a very funny thing for foreigners, I know, because you only hear it ta 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 in the end. This is because actually when you want to say the coffees, so you add actually two endings, two, let's say, suffixes to like changing things in the end of the words to say it in a more understandable way. So cafe, cafeta, coffees, and if you want to make it the coffees, it's cafe tata. Okay, so today in this video we're not going to focus so much on how to form plural. As I said, we have a different video on the topic and you can watch it so that we don't mix the subject. Today I'm going to tell you how to say the when the noun is already plural, because it's again different when it is masculine, feminine, and neutral. Okay, so for example, sandwich, yeah, sandwich. If we put it in plural, it's sandwichy, but it's sandwichite. So why cafe tata and sandwichite? Because follow the logic. Sandwich, sandwichy, it's Indian, and sandwichite, the sandwiches. So the first rule you can remember, we put te when the word is masculine plural to make it the sandwiches. If the word is feminine, for example, opera, what was our example from the beginning of the video, we have opera and we make it operi, the operas. We make it operas, operi. And if we already want to make it the operas, then it will be operite. So not operatata, yeah, because the word is not neutral and we don't apply these rules. Okay, so te is the for nouns when it is masculine and feminine. Sandwich, sandwichy, sandwichite. Opera, operi, plural, operas, operite. And neutral, we have the ta article. Not only for coffee. Let's take the example of bureau, desk. Okay, so we have bureau, many desks, bureau, and we have bureata, the desks. So as you can see, doesn't matter how you change the ending to become plural. For neutral, you always add ta in the end. So again, te is for masculine and feminine when the word is already in plural and you want to make it the sandwiches, the operas, and for neutral it is ta. That's why for some words like cafe, for example, it can be cafeta, cafetata, and you have the funny ending tata. It's not only for cafe, of course, we have many different words. Give us in the comments other words you have heard with these strange endings. And if you want, try and test yourself. Make other plural with articles in the comments and we'll try to make sure to correct you or to answer your questions. Let us know if you have something else that's not clear and that we can probably guide you through the process. We have group classes, individual lessons. We make a lot of free materials, a lot of free learning videos in different social platforms. So we have something, I believe, for everyone. So let us know actually what you need. Let us know how we can be useful for you because we're here to help you.